Okay, so, my camera stopped recording, so I had to, like, kind of start this part over. But okay, so this says, find the coefficient of the x squared y cubed term in x plus y to the fifth. Okay, so basically what you do, or this is how, like, I think it's easier to do it rather than the way he explained it. Shoot. Okay, I don't know if I already taught you this or not, but just really quick, going back to the part where we did a plus b to the fifth, and the answer was 1a to the fifth plus 5a to the fourth b plus 10a cubed b squared plus 10a squared b cubed plus 5ab to the fourth plus 1b to the fifth. Notice how there is a b here, it's just to the 0 power. So notice how the exponents all add up to this exponent. So I call this the ultimate one. There wasn't really like a name for it, so this adds up to that. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. So basically, these exponents always add up to the ultimate one. So then now, when you have x squared y cubed and you have x plus y to the fifth, you should, okay, so 2 plus 3, 5. So what you do is 5, choose 3. So you put this one is going to be your ultimate one, and this one is going to be your y one, your y, exponent. Then you always put your y, no matter what. So it's going to be your ultimate, choose y. And then, so for this one, what you would do 5, choose 3, x squared, y squared. So 5, choose 3, plug that into your calculator, and you get 10. And then you just bring this down, 10x squared y squared. The reason that you add this is because it shows work to get your credit, but then you just circle the 10, because that's your answer, because you wanted to find the coefficient, not the whole term. So your answer is 10. I don't know if this makes sense or if I went too fast, so I'll put up another example, and then you can pause and try that one, and then if it works, it works, and if it doesn't, just ask me. So find the coefficient of the y to the sixth term in 2x minus 3y to the 8th. So click pause and try it. Okay, so now you just click to play because you're done. So ultimate, which is 8, because you have 2x minus 3y to the 8th, and you have y to the 6th. So your ultimate is 8, choose y, and your y is the 6th. So 8, choose 6, and then you have your a, which is 2x, and you have your y, which is 3y. Now, you know that your y value is to the 6th, but you don't know what your x value is. But since how we looked back at a plus b to the 5th, and the x and the y exponents added up to the 8, what do you think x would be? It would be 2. I just felt like Dora the Explorer, because you know how she goes, what was your favorite part of the trip? And then there's this awkward silence, and then she's all like, yeah, that was mine too, and also. But okay, yeah. So it's 2. You can't really read that, but it's 2. So then you have 2x squared, because 6 plus 2 is 8. So then you plug in 8, choose 6 in your calculator, and you get 28. And then, just to show your work, 2x squared, that's just 4x squared. Oh, sorry, don't do that. That's just 4x squared and 729y to the 6th. And then you simplify that out and you get 81648 x squared y to the 6th. So I hope that's what you got. Otherwise, I just failed at being a teacher. And then there's one more example. Okay, so I hope, yeah, you got that? This is the answer. Well, sorry, I lied. See, don't do that. He said that's one of the most common mistakes people make. You show your work, but you only circle the number because they only want to find the coefficient. Okay, last one. Find the coefficient of x to the 5th. And okay. Wow, I'm like talking to myself. Okay, find the coefficient of x to the 5th term in x plus y to the 9th. So click pause and, do it. And then click play. So you just clicked it now. Okay, x to the 5th is what you have. And x plus y to the 9th. Okay, so 5 plus whatever your y exponent is supposed to add up to 9. So what do you think y is going to be raised to? 4. So now you know that it's, I'll rewrite that. So now you know it's x to the 5th, then y to the 4th. Okay, so what you do is, your ultimate, which is 9, choose y, because remember, see, some people would have done 9 choose 5, like when me and Shaki were doing in class, that's what she did. And that's also one of the most common mistakes. You have to make sure you put y, because sometimes they'll give you x, but they're testing you because you have to find y now. So 9 choose 4, and then you put your x, which is raised to the 5th power, and your y, which is raised to the 4th power. So then you have, 9 choose 4, you simplify that out in your calculator, and you get 126, x to the 5th, y to the 4th. But remember, don't circle the whole thing, just 126. So that was the last example. I'm going to look at the homework really quick, and I'm going to see if there was like a tricky one. So yeah, let's take a little break.